Detain. Which noun do we get from the suffix ee? And the 5 different ways that you can derive nouns from are using the suffix ee, that's the first one. The second one is using the suffix er. Thirdly, using the suffix nes. Fourthly, using the suffix sheep. And lastly, using the
2x plus was it 3y?
yes.
Equals to 600, and then x plus was it what 4x? No. Oh, 2y